Easter, it's Cat Dad again, coming to you with a review. I get home and my wife has made tacos again, and she said she made this one kind of special, so
it's Easter.
she said just to dig right in, and then I can tell you what I think about it. So I really don't know what to think. Got this umbrella here. That's
For Easter.
very nice, very fancy. All right, now I'll give my bite. Okay. That's her roast
Cheese grits.
with cheese grits and on the taco there, and it's actually pretty good. I'll give it a 6.8. Very good. Like and subscribe.